Hi all, good morning. Welcome back for joining this session. I am Yogesh from Big Learning for Big Minds team. So today this is part 5 and we are going to start question number 1 related to the interview. So today agenda is, we are going to cover these two interview questions, like if you will have a column and in that particular column you will have integer value, varchar value and alphanumeric value. So you will have to extract integer value separately and character value separately. So interviewer will ask you how you will extract the only integer value or only character values from that particular column. Let's see how that example would. So like my table name is common table and here is a data in this table. I do have a column mix underscore data. This is varchar type of, and I do have 5 records in this table. Okay. So if you will see, like first green highlighted record, that is Yogesh. This is purely character data. And next is Yogesh 12, that is alphanumeric. And the next is 12 Yogesh. It means again alphanumeric. And next two records 1234 and 4354. These two are integer values. So you will have to extract the last two as an integer, and that is those are highlighted in yellow, and that is highlighted in green, that is the character value. So you will have to extract that separately. So your output must be looks like this: integer value, these two records, and character value like this Yogesh shown. So you will have to write the query. Okay. So how you will extract the integer value from that particular column. Okay. Or how you will extract the character value from that particular column. Okay. So let's jump at the SQL Server and let's see how we can achieve this. So here are we at SQL Server. So we do have the same table name like common table. If you will execute it, so those 5 records we just seen at the slide, all 5 records are here. So if you will analyze the data, like the first data purely char kind of data, and last 2 records are purely integer type of data, right? Now if I want to char kind of data only, I want to extract it, then I will ignore all records where any single digit will be, like the second record will have some digits, the third record have some digits, and last 2 records have some digits. So if I'll ignore all the records wherever any digits is coming, then I will extract the char value. Just do the opposite. If I'll ignore all the records where any alphabet is coming, like first 3 records alphabets are coming, if I'll ignore those records wherever alphabets are coming, then I will have only the remaining integer values. Okay. So let's see how we can do it. Guys, do you remember when we learned the normal SQL queries, then where to use case statement? Like here in this, at this particular condition, we are going to apply multiple conditions, like from the same column I will extract the integer value and I will extract the character value as well. So what it means, I am going to apply multiple conditions. So if the multiple conditions available on the table at any column, so we will have to use case statement, right? So let's use the case statement and achieve our target, right? Let's see how to use that. Let's use case when, write the column name mix data, when mix data, like let's ignore the first integer value. If any digit is coming in at any of the record, then I will ignore those. So let's ignore the digits first. How to ignore? Let's use the regular expression. There is a fixed regular expression always for there. where mixed data like, let me provide a range over there. Okay, let me provide a range. If any digit will come from 0 to 9, this is a range. If any digit will come, then I will ignore these values. Ignore means let me update that as null, then null. Okay, else the value means the column will be populated, the mixed data. Mixed data. Close the case statement and as provide the name like char value, char underscore value, right? This is something you will have to do. Now let's execute this. See, we have updated all the remaining values wherever any digit is coming, right? If you will execute both queries, so like see, last 4 record have some digits, so we have ignored, we have updated like with this condition, when mixed data like 0 to 9 any digit will come, then we are updating that as null. So we have updated everything as null, so only the char value is remaining over there. Okay, but now I want the Yogesh only instead of null. Okay, I don't want to have these unnecessary records. Okay, then how I can do that? I need to exclude these records, these nulls. So how I can exclude? Just take this output in a subquery like select star from, just use the start braces and close the braces, right? As a or YKT, whatever you name you want to give to this subquery, you can give. Okay, where use the column name. What column name is that? Char value. Char value is, I want to ignore those nulls. I want this is not null. So then when char value is not null, so it will return you the char value, pure char value. Now we have to extract the integer values from this table. Okay, I will ignore, just I will do the just opposite. If any character will come in any of the record, then I want to ignore those. So how I can ignore those? Just I will use the opposite. Like how to do that? Just take it. Like the first query is to extract char values. Okay, and second is to extract integer values, int values, right? So let's do it. So in the first case, we ignored the numeric values, right? If any digit was coming. Okay, before this range, just use the note, this one. Okay, if you will use it, it means it will ignore all the records wherever any character value would be. Okay, it will ignore those. Let's execute it. So here it is, only numeric integer values. Okay, you can change this column name into values. And here as well, you will have to provide this, right? If you will execute these two, so you can see, right? I have ignored these first 3 records. There is the alphabets are coming, so we ignored first 3. We put the nulls if any alphabet is coming, and then only integer value would be remaining. So we have done like how to extract the char value if there is a mixed values, and we have extracted the integer values from that column wherever mixed values were there, right? So we are done with this. These interview questions, they are asking like how you can extract the integer values from that column and how you can extract the char values. So hope you enjoyed this session. So just a request guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. If you have any doubt or you want to learn anything, then please provide your comment. We will try to address your query. Okay, we will provide you another video for that, so that will help you to grow. Okay, thank you so much.